So growing up on a farm in Illinois, food was such an integral part of not only our lives, but also our livelihoods. So my family grew up gardening and really having a sustainable lifestyle for year-round. So I grew up with such fond memories of tilling the soil, planting the seeds, and watching it grow. And when I was growing up, it was work, and I hated it. And today I look back at what an integral part of my life it was, what I learned, the lessons about sowing seeds, nurturing yourself and your lives so that you can grow in a healthy way. And so today I try to bring that into my family's life, gardening and canning, and just try to bring that culture back home, even though we're not on a farm.